she goes. Good morning, welcome back to Strand Farm, where we grow independent together. Today we're going to cut down our largest tree to date. I'm walking right towards it right now. I'm walking in the line that I want it to fall down in. Here she stands. It's the biggest tree I've cut down so far. It's about a foot in diameter. Most of the trees we've cut down to this point are about 6 inches in diameter. We wanted to start with the smaller trees before we get to the larger ones. So anyway, what we do here when we're cutting trees down is we're trying to control which direction they fall, which is quite a hard thing to do. Maybe not for master lumberjacks, but we're far from that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the camera down where I want the tree to fall, and then I'm going to try to make the tree land on top of my camera, and that's how I practice my directional cutting. There's two main reasons why we chose this tree to come down today. The first reason being that this area is where we're going to build Ashley's pottery studio and woodcraft studio for Strand Farm, and the other reason is that we need firewood. She goes. Where's the GoPro? Oh, come here with your camera. Pretty darn close. We did it.
That one was testing my patience.
Yeah, that was a tough one. I think one of the main issues, and I'll keep assessing, but one of the main issues of this one falling was it already kind of wanted to go that way. And if you look, my back cut was slanted down instead of staying consistently above. And I think that gave it a hard time. So I ended up using my pry bar behind it. There's not much hinge wood here at all. I almost cut through the whole thing. That's pretty amateur. But we're still alive, and now we've got a nice tree to harvest. So, thank you, honey. As you can see, this is a pretty small tool, but it still does big jobs. And you know, it's the only chainsaw we have right now, so that's pretty much, I'd say, the limit. We did buy a two-man saw that we just need to finish sharpening, and then we'll have a real treat. Goes.
Okay. Ooh, that might have broke the GoPro.